Okay, so in this guide, I want to show you how I use my laptop to jailbreak, or you can call it program, my Firesticks. And this method that I use, I established it to where I program a lot of Firesticks every day. And this is the easiest method that I've ever seen um, to jailbreak a Firestick. So first thing you'll do if you want to set this up, you'll go to techdoctoruk.com. You'll go to downloads. You'll scroll down to where it says ADB, and you'll select download now. And once you download it, for the sake of the video, try to keeping it short. What you'll do is you'll open it up to your downloads folder. You'll right click and extract the zip file um, onto your C drive. So yours will look similar to this. On your C drive, I got this folder here called ADB, and like I say, inside the zip file, these are the files that you'll find. So done with that. Let's see here. All right, so next thing you want to do is you're going to create a folder inside the ADB folder called apps. So just like this folder, and you'll name it apps. All right, so in this folder here, you'll put all the apps that you want to use on your Firestick. So I'm going to do that. I'm just going to drag some apps that I use. Let's see, AppGuard. Let's see, BTV, Film Plus, Rapid Streams, Redbox, Titan, Mobdro. I'm going to copy those and I'm going to just paste them in here. There we go. All right, so these are all my APK files. I'll put them in the apps folder and then we'll go back. All right, so now we're going to create a batch file that you'll use every time you want to program your Firesticks. This way you can, only thing you got to do is set up your Firestick to the home screen. You'll set it up to where it can accept the commands from your computer, and that's it. You just click this button or click this batch file that we're about to create, and it'll send all of those apps to your Firestick all at once and install them. All right, so first thing you want to do, you'll create a text document. So you'll right click and hit new, and you create a text document, and I just call mine install all apps. All right, and go ahead and open it up, and in the description you'll find this command that I'm going to paste for you. And you'll paste it and look just like that. And what you'll hit file, save as. On the end of the file name you'll put .bat. Okay, and you'll select all documents, and now you'll hit save. All right, and we can close this up. So now the document that you created, you got that, but then you also got this batch file that you created called install all apps. Okay, all right, so we can delete this document. Make sure you don't delete the batch file, just delete the document. Now you can delete that. All right, so at this point here you can set up your Firestick. So again, we got our ADB folder with our ADB files. We got our apps folder that's got all the apps that you want to install on your Firestick, and we got our batch file that we just created. Okay, so next thing we want to do is set up our Firestick. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to pull up my Firestick so you can see it. All right, and I'm just using a program that that allows you to see my Firestick here. All right, first thing you want to do, set up your Firestick to where you get to your home screen. You'll go to your settings, you'll go to My Fire TV, developer options, and you'll turn ADB debugging on. You'll also turn on unknown sources. Okay, from there you can go back home on your Firestick, and let's see, let's open up the ADB folder, and now watch and see as we click install all apps. Here's the command. All right, so go ahead and let that say waiting for devices. Okay, so now we have to approve our Firestick connection with our computer. So you can hit that little checkbox and now click OK on your Firestick. Boom, just like that. All right, and now all of the apps will start writing to your Firestick. If you do run into any issues, you can always close this command. You can close this up, and it'll stop it, and then you can just double click on the file again, install all apps. All right, so you can see right here, just by clicking this here, it's installing all the apps that we had in this folder one by one. So you don't have to sit there and install them one by one, or you know, download another app, another app store or something like that to install your apps. You can just use this. Go ahead and download the app, the APKs that you use to install on your Firesticks, and you can do them all at once. You don't have to wait. And then when it's done installing all the apps, the command prompt will just close by itself. It'll be done. And then, you know, if there's any other setup that you want to do to the apps that you installed, if you want to set them up for your clients or something like that, you can go ahead and do that. So it's done at this point. All your apps are installed, and you can pretty much do, you know, whatever you want. So that's the method that I use to install all the apps on my Firesticks. And it's pretty easy. If you have any comments, if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.